Police launch body camera project for cops, but will they wear them? Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News. A special welcome to viewers on OneSpotMedia.com. I am Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, Commissioner warns that criminals are trying to make into the police force.
Bikers respond to TVJ expose on customs fraud.
Stoned drivers part 3. Can cops test motorists who drive after smoking a spliff?
In business news, ARC Systems takes aim at the export market.
There's also sports commentary and weather in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
We're asking, would you support roadside testing of motorists suspected to be driving under the influence of ganja?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us, Primetime News returns right after this break.